Hi! In front of me is a OPPO Reno 10X Zoom, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this smartphone. Firstly, go into Play Store, tap on the search bar and type in Files. Then download this free app by Google Developer and open it. Now just continue, tap on Allow and click on the switcher next to allow access to all files. Then go back and just clean at the bottom left corner. Over here select Clean, under Junk Files, choose Clear in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!